10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. One right on the crest, into 4 left, 100 down gate. One right on the crest, into 6 right, and 2 right on the crest, and 4 left, into 6 right tightens, hairpin left plus, hairpin left plus, 40, 2 right, 100, caution, 6 left tightens, don't cut, launch baby, into hairpin left, and hairpin right, into 4 right long, and turn hairpin left, and 3 right, keep it on cycle, into 5 left in, and 4 left in, opens on the crest, and 3 right, 100 up mid, 1 left into caution, hairpin right, and 3 left continues for 80, into 3 right, 60, small crest and caution, 6 left tightens over junction, no cut, into 6 right, into 5 left, don't cut, into 5 left long in, and turn hairpin right, 130, 7 left in at lone, and 2 left over crest, into 3 left tightens over top, 60 down, and left long, into 7 right long, tight, and crest, right at middle, into 6 left, 80, crest, into hairpin right, tightens, 170 down mid, 4 left, 150, 6 right in on the narrow crest, 6 right in on the narrow crest, and 3 left long, and 3 right, 60, caution, hairpin left plus, hairpin left plus, and 3 right long, 60, 2 left over small jump, 80 up mid, 1 left over crest, and caution, 2 left over crest, tightens, just 6 left long, tightens to 6 left long, into 7 right, into 6 left plus, and 7 left tightens, hairpin right, tightens, hairpin right, into 6 left opens, 60 through posts, turn hairpin left, and 4 right, into 6 left, push, 2 left, into 2 right, into crest long, mid, and 3 right in, 100, 2 right over crest, 80, turn hairpin right tight, and through posts on the exit, tight, 130, go on, keep going, flat on crest, middle, 150, middle through right over crest, into 4 left, into turn hairpin right. And 4 left over crest, up cut, and turn square right. 250 up it. Right, keep pushing now, come on. 250 up it. 5 right, tightens over crest, don't cut. Root up into 6 right over crest, 60. 2 left continues for 100 and tightens to 6 left tightens in over crest. And down, 3 right, and 4 right on tightens, and 3 left over crest. 100. 1 left over crest and 5 right through dip, don't cut. Into small crest, 3 left. Into 2 right over crest, 80 down. 2 right long, 60 down. 6 right. 6 right here. 100. 6 left over crest, don't cut. 150, don't cut. 150. 1 left over crest, but 80. 5 left, tight in, into 4 right, continues for 100. 4 right continues for 100, and down, 4 right. And 3 left long, into 4 left last foot. 100 upward, turn hairpin left opens. 80 up mid. Turn hairpin right long, barriers inside, artificially tightened. That's it now, come on, push it. 5 left, to 3 right, first 150 up mid. Turn hairpin left, tightens. 200 up mid. Keep going, keep going. 4 right, into turn, 6 left, push, 3 right. 40 up mid, go. 4 right plus in, and 2 left long, into 5 left, in, right in. And 2 left opens over crest, and 5 right in, 60, turn, 7 right, in cut. Into 2 left, continue to tighten for 30, late in 4 right, and 2 left, 100, 1 left into 4 right in over finish, 200 up big, 4 right in, another chap. Oh no. Well driven.